Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the browser and permissions. Install the Shazam extension and make sure Chrome is updated. This avoids compatibility hiccups. Once done, click the extension icon to open its panel, and when Chrome asks, allow microphone access so Shazam can listen. Also, make sure no other tabs are playing audio, close or mute them. Otherwise, Shazam may capture the wrong source. These initial steps get you listening quickly and reliably, so the extension can identify songs accurately. Now you perform the capture. Click the Shazam extension icon, then press its main Shazam button. This activates the microphone and begins analysis. If you're using a tab, make sure that tab is unmuted and close competing sounds. This improves match speed and accuracy. Wait roughly 3 to 10 seconds while Shazam compares the audio fingerprint. You'll see the song title, artist, and artwork appear in the panel. If available, use the provided playback or link options to verify the result immediately. Complete the process by saving or using the match. Tap the Save or Account icon to store the identification in your Shazam history, or copy the title and artist into a playlist. If Shazam fails to find a match, retry while moving the microphone closer, increasing volume, or reducing background noise. Many misses are simply low signal. If the microphone never activates, open Chrome settings and verify microphone permissions for the site and extension. Adjusting those fixes most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.